Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful, Jake. I just had a very good cup of coffee.
Coffee, my favorite word.
I know you love coffee.
I love coffee very much. Hot coffee, cold coffee, big coffee, small coffee, all coffee.
That is the perfect introduction to our topic today.
Oh, our topic is coffee?
Yes, today we are talking about how to order coffee in English.
Yes, I need this. When I go to an English-speaking coffee shop, I always feel nervous.
Nervous. You feel worried, uncomfortable?
Yes, I don't know the right words. The menu has so many strange names. Espresso, latte, flat white. What is a flat white?
We will learn all of these today.
I am very ready. Let's go. But first, a small message from us.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with a friend who also loves coffee and is learning English.
Thank you so much. We love our listeners. Okay, Judy, teach me coffee.
Let's go to the coffee shop. Okay, you arrive at the coffee shop. You open the door, you walk in. What do you see?
A counter, a menu on the wall, a person behind the counter, and a very long line of people.
Good. The person behind the counter is called a barista. Say that word.
Barista.
Good. B-A-R-I-S-T-A. Barista. The barista makes your coffee.
Barista. I like that word. It sounds important.
It is important. A good barista makes a great coffee. Now, you walk to the counter. The barista looks at you and says, "Hello, what can I get for you today?"
And I say, I want a coffee, please.
That works. But in a coffee shop, we usually use more specific phrases. We say, "I'd like," or "Can I have?" or "I'll have."
3 phrases. Let me try them. I'd like a coffee.
Good. "I'd like" is short for "I would like." Very polite, very natural.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. "Can I have" is also very common, very friendly.
I'll have a coffee.
Yes, "I'll have" is short for "I will have." A little more casual, very natural in a coffee shop.
So all 3 are correct?
All 3 are correct. The barista will understand all of them. Choose the one you like.
I like I'll have. It is short, fast, like me in the morning before my coffee.
Good. Now, the menu. Let's learn the types of coffee. First, espresso.
Espresso. I know this one.
Yes, an espresso is a very small, very strong coffee. Just a little cup, but very powerful.
Very strong. Like Jake before coffee, weak. Like Jake after espresso, powerful.
Perfect description. An espresso is the base. Many other drinks start with espresso.
Espresso. Small, strong. Got it.
Next, Americano.
Americano. Like American coffee?
Yes, an Americano is espresso plus hot water. It is bigger than an espresso, less strong, like a regular coffee.
Espresso, small and strong. Americano, bigger and lighter.
Exactly. Good. Let me make a sentence. "I'll have an Americano, please."
Perfect. Now, latte.
Latte. I love lattes.
A latte is espresso plus a lot of milk. It's creamy, it's smooth, not very strong. Creamy, like a coffee with a hug.
A coffee with a hug. I love that. Yes, a latte is soft and gentle.
Can I have a latte, please?
Good. Now, cappuccino.
Cappuccino. This one I always say wrong.
Cap-pu-chi-no. 4 parts. Cap-pu-chi-no.
Cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Good. A cappuccino is espresso, hot milk, and foam on top. Foam is the white, soft, bubbly part.
Oh, like a cloud on top of the coffee.
Yes, a cloud. A cappuccino has a beautiful cloud on top.
I want to order a cappuccino just for the cloud.
And the last one, flat white.
Flat white. I have no idea what this is.
A flat white is espresso with a little steamed milk, less milk than a latte, stronger taste. Very popular in Australia and New Zealand.
Flat white, espresso, latte, cappuccino, Americano. That is a lot of coffees.
Let's review. Espresso, small, strong, no milk.
Americano, espresso, and hot water, bigger.
Latte, espresso, and lots of milk, creamy.
Cappuccino, espresso, milk, and foam on top.
Flat white, espresso, and a little milk, strong. I think I want all of them. Okay, now size. The barista will ask you, what size?
What are the sizes?
Usually 3. Small, medium, and large. Some coffee shops use their own names, like tall, grande, venti in some big chains.
Tall is small, grande is medium, venti is large. That is very confusing.
It can be. So in a normal coffee shop, just say small, medium, or large. That always works.
I'll have a large latte, please.
Perfect sentence. Let me ask you, what size do you usually choose, Jake?
Always large. I need a large coffee to become a normal human being in the morning.
A large coffee for a normal human. Okay.
What about you, Judy?
I usually have a medium. It is the right amount for me. Not too much, not too little.
Medium for Judy, large for Jake. Good to know.
Now, customizing, making your coffee your way. The barista often asks, hot or cold?
Hot or cold?
Yes, you can have hot coffee, warm, steamed, or cold coffee, iced, with ice cubes.
Hot or cold? I say hot, please, or iced, please.
Yes, iced means cold with ice.
I'll have an iced latte, please.
Perfect. Very natural. Now, milk. The barista may ask, what kind of milk?
What, there are different kinds of milk?
Yes, regular milk from a cow, oat milk from oats, almond milk from almonds, soy milk from soybeans.
That is many choices. I always just want normal milk.
Then you say, regular milk, please, or normal milk is fine.
Easy. And sugar?
The barista might ask, how many sugars, or would you like any sugar?
I say, 1 sugar, please, or no sugar, thank you.
Yes, no sugar, thank you is very polite and clear.
What if I want a sweet coffee?
You can ask for syrup. Can I have some vanilla syrup, please? Or can I have caramel syrup?
Caramel latte. I love caramel latte.
A good choice. So a full order sounds like, I'll have a large iced latte with oat milk and caramel syrup, please.
Wow, that is a long sentence.
It is, but the barista hears this every day. You can say it slowly, one thing at a time.
Let me try. I'll have a large iced latte with regular milk and 1 sugar, please.
That is perfect, Jake. Exactly right. Take your time. The barista will wait.
They will not laugh at my order?
Never. They hear hundreds of orders every day. They just want to make your perfect coffee. Good. Now, after you order, you pay. The barista might tell you the price. That's $4.50, please, or that will be £5.
$4.50. That means $4.50.
Yes, or £4.50 in the UK. You say, here you are, and give your card or cash.
Here you are. I can also say, here you go.
Yes, here you go is also very natural.
And if I pay with a card, I just tap or put it in the machine.
Yes, very simple. And after you pay, the barista might ask, can I get a name?
A name for the coffee?
Yes, when it's busy, they write your name on the cup, so they call you when your coffee is ready.
Oh, so I say my name, Jake.
Yes, simple. And when your coffee is ready, the barista calls, Jake, your latte is ready.
And I say, thank you, and I take my coffee, and I am happy.
And you say, thank you, or thanks so much.
And maybe have a good day.
Perfect. Always end with something friendly. Good. And one more useful phrase. What if you change your mind?
Change my mind?
Yes, you're at the counter, you ordered a latte, but then you think, actually, I want a cappuccino.
Oh, that happens to me. I always change my mind.
You say, actually, can I change that to a cappuccino, please?
Actually, that word is very useful.
Yes, actually means, let me correct what I said. It's polite and natural.
Actually, can I change to a medium instead of a large?
Perfect. The barista will always say, of course, no problem.
People in coffee shops are very friendly.
Most of them, yes. They want you to be happy with your coffee.
I feel better now. Even if I make a mistake, it's okay.
Always okay. And what if you don't understand the barista?
I say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Yes, or sorry, I didn't catch that. Very natural.
I didn't catch that. Catch means understand?
In this context, yes, I didn't catch that means I didn't hear or understand. Please say again.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again slowly?
Perfect. Any barista will help you. Don't be afraid to ask.
Okay, I feel confident now.
Good. Let's practice the full conversation. Okay, Jake, now we practice. I am the barista, you are the customer. From hello to goodbye. Ready?
Ready. I am nervous, like a real coffee shop.
Don't be nervous. I'm a friendly barista.
Okay, here I go.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hello, I'll have a large latte, please.
Of course. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What milk would you like? Regular, oat, or almond?
Regular milk, please.
Any sugar or syrup?
Can I have 1 sugar, please?
Sure. And can I get a name for the order?
Jake. Jake.
Perfect. That will be $4.80, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your latte will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you.
Jake, your large hot latte is ready.
Oh, that's me. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your coffee. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
And that is a perfect coffee shop conversation.
That was not so hard.
Not hard at all. You were wonderful.
I feel confident. I want to go to a real coffee shop right now.
Go after this episode. Practice in real life.
I will. Large hot latte. Regular milk, 1 sugar. Jake.
You got it. Good. Now, one more thing. What do you do while you wait for your coffee?
I stand there. I look at my phone. I feel a little awkward.
That is normal, but you can also make small conversation with the barista while you wait.
Like what?
Simple things. It smells wonderful in here. Or, is it busy today? Or just smile and say nothing. That is also fine. And when your name is called, go to the counter, pick up your cup, and say, thank you.
Simple. I can do that.
And if the coffee is not right, for example, it is too hot or too sweet, you can politely say, excuse me, this is a little too sweet for me. Can I have less syrup next time?
They will fix it?
Usually, yes. Coffee shops want happy customers.
Great. I feel very prepared now.
And one small cultural note about coffee shops.
Cultural note.
Yes, in many English-speaking countries, coffee shops are not just for coffee. They're places to work, to meet friends, to study.
Like a second living room.
Exactly. So it is very normal to sit for a long time with 1 cup of coffee.
And nobody tells you to leave?
Usually no. The coffee shop is a comfortable place. People stay, open their laptop, read a book.
I love this. I want to go to a coffee shop, order a large latte, and study English for 2 hours.
That is a perfect plan, and you can practice your English with the barista every time.
Every visit is an English lesson.
Yes, real-life practice is the best practice.
I am going this weekend, definitely.
Good. Remember your phrases and enjoy your coffee.
I will. Large hot latte. Regular milk, 1 sugar. Jake.
You got it. Okay, now let's review what we learned today.
Yes. Review time. I love coffee and I love review.
Types of coffee. Let's go.
Espresso. Small and strong.
Americano, espresso with hot water. Bigger.
Latte. Espresso with lots of milk. Creamy.
cappuccino, espresso, milk, and foam cloud.
Flat white, espresso with a little milk, strong.
Good. Ordering phrases.
I'd like a coffee. Can I have a coffee? I'll have a coffee.
Size.
Small, medium, large. Always works.
Customizing.
Hot or iced. Milk type. Sugar or syrup.
Paying.
Here you are. Card or cash. And your name for the cup.
And at the end?
Thank you. Have a great day.
Perfect. You remembered everything, Jake.
I am ready for the coffee shop.
You are more than ready. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. I hope you feel confident ordering coffee in English now.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And give this episode a like. It helps us so much.
And share it with a friend who loves coffee and is learning English.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
What is your favorite coffee? Tell us hot or iced and what kind. Write your answer in English.
We would love to read your coffee orders in the comments.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.